I can't stop thinking about. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keisha Anulika. Sorry about that. This is my first time actually recording doing a voiceover. But if you are new to my channel, thank you for coming. If you are regular, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this channel. We are actually going to be doing a simple DIY nail video. People have been asking me what I be doing because I cannot wear nails every day due to my small child. So the items you'll need is the ECBASKET press-on nails that I got from Amazon, and super cheap. It's under $10. I will link the description on the bottom. And next you will need these skinny sticks, aka regular popsicle sticks, but they're a little small, so they'll be easy for the nail to come on. Super cheap, I believe under $3 or under $2 at Walmart. Next you'll need, of course, any type of nail polish color. I got this pink nail color and it's an insta dry. The reason why I got insta dry because it's super quick. It dries super quick, and for the sake of the video, to be honest with you. And then of course you want a top coat, a clear top coat to go over the nail. And next you will need a poster putty or putty, whatever may have you. This is actually going to stick on to the popsicle stick. It's going to stick the nail to the popsicle stick, so it'll be sturdy for you to get your polish on. You see what I'm saying? To get your polish on. Okay, girl, what's the next item? Okay, and then next you are going to need these super cute nail foils or glitter foils or whatever, shiny foils that I got off of Amazon. They were super cheap. When I say super cheap, meaning they took about 3 weeks to come in. It was like under $1. Now, I will say, disclaimer, do not get these. Do not get these. They were so cheap. They actually started peeling off. Yeah, so get a more sturdier and one that is actually going to stick on. So here I'm just sizing up my nail. Yeah, making sure I know which ones that are going to fit right. You want to do this before you start painting on your nail polish, because it's just easier, keeps you organized, keeps it simple, keeps the process going. You know, you don't want to be fiddling with trying to find your nail size over here painting. It's like, girl, just get it done, fit it together, put it in order. I kind of do this whole left to right, right to left thing. So basically putting how my nails are, just lining it up onto the table. And also, I'll probably link below where I got actually this faux marble contact paper. I got it online on Amazon as well, and you can also find it from Walmart. Super cheap, super cute. So here I'm going to take the skinny sticks, aka popsicle sticks, and I'm going to actually just get 5 of them because I'm going to put 2 nails on each stick. So, I mean, even though it's super cheap, you still at the same time don't want to waste them. So yeah, girl, so just put on the putty onto the nail and then onto the stick, or vice versa, onto the stick and then attach the nail. And you basically just want to do it on both ends and lay it there. You do want it to be able to balance itself, because once you put that nail polish on there, you don't want it to be tipping over. Then the nail will be, you know, doing the most and be making imprints, and you got to go over it and all of that, and we ain't trying to do that. I mean, you know, so basically keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking, I guess. Like I said before, I can't really wear nails every day. That's the main reason why I do this. I do have an infant son, and I do use my hands, meaning I do a lot of stitch work. I sew a lot, do hand sewing, so therefore it's hard to manage with having my nails done at all times. So that's the main reason why I do this. It's easy, simple, get up and go. So here, of course, you can see regular schmegula, just painting it on. You don't have to be, you know, a freaking nail artist to do this. I mean, girl, we all went to art school and elementary school. You know what I mean? Like, if you mess up, I don't, shoot, listen, I don't be doing it the best, but I get some smudges here and there. But it's kind of like, hey, I'm only gonna have this on for 1 or 2 days, 3 days tops. So it's like, let me just get it going. You may have to do, depending on the nail color, or not nail color, the nail brand or the type of opaqueness that your nail polish is, you are most likely going to do more than one coat. On some of them, I did put more than one coat on because it was a little sheer, more sheer than I would like. So yeah, I mean, you know, just paint it on, get it going. So here you are going to use the nail foil tape, I guess you can say. Yeah, sorry about that. My computer for some reason, not my computer, my camera for some reason jumped or wasn't filming, or I don't know what was going on. She was tripping. I don't know, honey. But I kind of already started, so you can do your design any way you like. Do lines, do crisscrosses, do diagonals, do loop-de-loops and swiggly swags and zigzags, and do whatever you want, whatever you want to do. So I just do simple lines. I try to look creative. I try to look like, hey, I can do your nails, honey. Yeah, that sounded racist. But yeah, so do whatever you want. I didn't actually have my small itty bitty scissors to kind of cut the ends off. All I really had was my eyebrow pencil to kind of cut the, not eyebrow pencil, I'm sorry, my eyebrow razor, and to cut the tape, or cut the foil lines off. So it kind of had a little bit of extra on the edges, which is, I don't care for that much, of course, because I do at least want it to look a little nice or whatever. So I mean, it is what it is. I kind of like tucked it in under the nail, so just to kind of make it still look great. So that's not the cutest thing to do. So whenever I do find my actual scissors, I would, let me tell you this video is coming out later, so I've already worn it and, you know, whatever. So the next time I do this, because I have the tape, you know, I have the little strips, so I'm not gonna return it or anything. I may actually use a pair of scissors to cut it. Then I can, I guess, do another video with stones that you can do, or different type of ornaments that you can put on your nails, because I really do love nails and stuff, but I just don't have the luxury or time to be getting them done all the time. So this is my alternative, if you will. Lord, my baby waking up, and you know I'm over here trying to record. tucking it in under. I don't have the right scissors. So yeah, basically you just go in, put it in your top coat, and let it dry. Nice and pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kiss glue. Hold on, Gigi. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kiss glue. I'm sorry, that's my son. Use the Kiss glue and go ahead and use that to glue on my nails. Carefully take off the nails from the putty. If you're like me, my top coat wasn't fully dry, so I got a little bit of smudging going on, but it was like, hey, that's okay. I'm be all right. Like I said, it was 2-3 in the morning, so listen, I'm trying to get this video going, and yeah, so basically put the glue on your nail, you know, make sure your nails are clean, put the glue on your nail, and there you have it. It's nice and pretty and curt and everything. I just love it. My ring is getting a little camera time, but like you can see, I have a little bit of the tape sticking out just a little bit, but hey, I mean, unless your homegirl over here just staring at your nails and stuff, I mean, it's like, I don't know. Yeah, so you see I have a little bit of smudging of the nail polish, just a little bit, and like I said, the foil. But all in all, hey, shoot, listen, I still love it. I still love this technique, and I encourage y'all, if y'all have just, you know, a good amount of time, just kind of sit down and just do your nails. You can take as long as you want, as little as you want. Just do the nail polish, no kind of decoration. That's great. It makes the situation even faster. If you really out of time, go ahead and just glue those nails on unpainted. Then go ahead and paint them. Let them dry in the car while you driving. Shoot, I've done that plenty of times. That's when I say on my social media, hey, 5-minute nails. Shoot, listen. But thank you for coming and watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Go ahead and hit subscribe. See ya.